Hey guys, so Gale has posted on its website that it will be recruiting through GATE 2021. Okay, and here is the notification for the same. अभी कौन सी branches eligible है? We'll see. The branches which are eligible are chemical and instrumentation. Okay, तो अगर आप लोग इस branch के नहीं हैं, you can stop this video here and you can keep on continuing your work. Okay. I won't waste much of your time. अगर chemical और instrumentation के हैं तो this notification is for you. Okay, there is one important point that I'll be telling you in this advertisement about eligibility. तो chemical और instrumentation they are eligible and BTech में they should have 65% marks. Okay, minimum 65% marks. अगर BTech में नहीं है तो भी you can leave this video. So 65% marks चाहिए. And these are the eligible BTech degrees for executive trainee chemical and for executive trainee instrumentation. Okay, relaxation is according to the norms. This you can read. I'll post the link of this PDF in the description. Okay, there is one important information that I want to tell you is that candidates who have completed their BTech degree in the year 2019 or earlier are not eligible to apply. तो 2020 में जिन्होंने complete किया they are eligible to apply. 2021 में जो complete कर रहे हैं they are also eligible to apply. But the candidates who have completed their bachelor's degree in engineering in year 2019 or earlier are not eligible to apply for this position. Okay, so this is the restriction by GATE. Okay, age limit, upper age limit is 28 years. And this upper age limit is relaxable for SC/ST categories and OBC categories. This you can read as per your category. Emoluments बहुत अच्छे हैं. Salary is very good. GALE की 60,000 to 1,80,000 pay scale is there, and other benefits will also be there. Accommodation, HRA, medical facility. You all know these things, right? That is why you started preparing for GATE. If you were aiming for PSU, तो आपको ये सब पहले से पता होगा. Okay, so also you must be knowing that the fresh GATE score will be eligible for this position. GATE 2021 का GATE score ही eligible रहेगा इस position के लिए. Okay, where you can apply? You can apply on the careers section of GALE's website. The website is given here. Okay, so these were the important things that I wanted to tell you, and the dates are given here. The candidates are required to apply online, and the relevant link will be made available from 15th February. That is, it has already started till 6 PM on 16th March. Okay, so 16 March तक ये link active रहेगा. I think GATE result is coming after 16th March, right? So maybe they will extend it. I'm not sure हाँ. But ये last date है. तो अपने को last date तक नहीं जाना है. If you are getting good marks in GATE, apply for GALE. Simple as that. Okay, and obviously if you belong to chemical and instrumentation. Okay, and you should not send any printout of the application to the GALE's office. ठीक है. These are the documents that you need to carry along with you if you are shortlisted for GDN interview. उसका एक mail आ जाएगा. You'll get a mail, and in that mail also everything will be mentioned. Don't worry about it. Abhi, what you have to do is you have to fill the form if you are meeting all the eligibility criteria. Okay, if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, fill the form before this last date. अभी last date तक नहीं जाना है, पहले ही भर देना है. Okay, so this was some of the important information I wanted to tell you in this notification. So GALE's notification is out, and GALE is recruiting through GATE 2021. All the best.